Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. How is everybody doing today? Today we will be making some Italian dish, spaghetti with a scratch. I'm making with the fresh tomatoes, fresh basils, fresh garlic, fresh mushrooms, fresh onions, everything fresh. If you don't want to go through all this trouble, you can buy this can. You could use this. I bought it as like organic spaghetti sauce. Look for the there's no sugar in there. Sometimes they have added sugar in there. This makes sweet your spaghetti, and I don't like sweet spaghetti. I'm just showing it to you, but I am using all my fresh vegetables. So let's go see all the ingredients what we have over here. Okay. We have some olive oil and salt, chili flakes, fresh red pepper, and some basils, fresh basil, and some ground beef, some fresh tomatoes, fresh crushed garlic, and some Italian seasoning, and some fresh basil, and some fresh garlic cloves, and some fresh mushrooms, some fresh onions. And look, you have to cut onions like this, big pieces in the chunk. Do not slice like a very thin, it's gonna dissolve in there. It's not gonna taste good. If you are a vegetarian, you don't have to add this meat, and instead of that you can add bell pepper, red, green, orange bell pepper, and zucchini and mushrooms. That's all you can add too. You can make, that's also is very good spaghetti. You can put some cheese in there and it tastes good too. So, but I'm going to be making with the fresh tomatoes. So let's go start making it. How to make the sauce first. We're going to make sauce first, then we're going to boil the spaghetti. Okay? Okay. Our pot is hot. So we're going to add some olive oil in there. Of course, it's an Italian dish, so you have to have olive oil. And then I'm going to add some whole garlic in there. Then I'm going to add some fresh basil. Already smells good. Italian food. Some Italian dressing. And we'll put some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. And let it cook. And a little bit of salt. Salt to taste, as much as you want. Free country. Here we go. So we're gonna cover it and cook until the tomatoes get soft. Then we're gonna take the hand blender and blend that. Okay? Okay, let me cover this and cook for a few minutes until it gets soft. Okay, our tomatoes are cooked and soft. See, they're all soft and cooked. Maybe I can move it a little bit further. Okay, let's see. Can you see? Soft. Now we're gonna take the hand blender and blend this. Let me first turn the stove off, and be careful, it's hot, so I have to cook quickly, so that's why I'm doing the hot one. But if you're cooking, please let it cool down before you touch it. Okay? If you don't have fresh tomatoes, you can also use canned tomatoes. peeled and chopped. Canned tomatoes also you can use. Okay. See, our spaghetti sauce is ready. We'll cook meat and we're gonna add it to this sauce. Okay, let's cook the meat and add the sauce in there. So our spaghetti sauce will be ready. Okay. Again, you have to put some olive oil generously. So Italian dish, of course, you have to put a lot of olive oil. And then if it's hot, the pan is hot, you add your beef, ground beef. Okay. I'm gonna put some fresh garlic in there. A lot of garlic and a lot of basil. And I'm gonna add this basil. Okay, some Italian seasoning. If you don't have fresh basils, you can get dry basils in any store. You can use that. Oh, let me show you something. I forgot about that. You can grow basils, whatever the basils you buy from the store. See, I bought these basils like that in this little container. I took some of the leaves out of it. Now what I'm gonna do is take this. This is broke, so I'm gonna break this one and remove this one. Take some more of the leaves from here and I'm gonna cut it. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna cut it right here. See? Voila. You have to have one node over here and maybe half an inch of this. So if you have rooting hormone, dip it in the water and dip it in the rooting hormone and put it in the ground until this high, because this has to go in the soil. So roots will come from here, and leave it in the shade. And if you can try to cover with something so it don't dry, like this kind of cup or something in the pot. I might have to do it again to show it to you all, but right now I just thought about it, so I was just showing it to you. So I'm gonna make a video for that. Okay. So you're gonna have another plant. You can have the plant basils. Oh, it smells so good. I grow so many basil plants. I planted one time, long time ago, and the seeds falls every year, and I get more and more and more basil. But right now it's winter time, so I don't have any in my garden. So I have to go buy some myself. We'll wait until all the water evaporates. Then we're gonna add rest of the stuff. Even the stems are smell so good. Basil. I love the smell of basil. You know, you can also lose weight with the basil seeds. If you soak it in the water, just like a chia seeds. They're puffed up, and you can add in the sherbets and some drinks, or maybe you can just eat like that with a yogurt and something. You can lose some weight with that. Okay, our meat is cooked, so we'll add these onions, because we do not want to add onions before, and you do not want onions to be mushy. You want onion to be crunchy and crispy. Whatever the vegetables you put it in the end like this. And then mushrooms, if you like them. A lot of people don't like the mushrooms. Whatever the vegetables you like, you can add it. If you don't want, you don't even have to add anything. Okay? My son loves mushrooms. That's why I'm adding it for him. Actually, I'm doing this meal prep for my son. He lives by himself. So whenever I come over here, I cook few things and put it for him in the freezer. This is one of the dish. I'm making it. So I'm gonna fill up a couple of boxes, like 4 or 5 boxes of it. Then I will put it in the freezer. So he will eat them slowly until I come back. So we are not gonna cook onions to become soft and mushy. We'll just add right now. This is done. See, the meat is dry. There's no water left, and the mushrooms, and they're all gonna cook in the sauce right now. Okay, we'll add the sauce. Our tomato sauce is ready, so we can add this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Be careful, it splashes on your clothing. There's a lot of spaghetti. Whew. I can feed the whole neighborhood. Okay. Nah, I can make like maybe 6 containers with the spaghetti. So you can have some food. You don't have to go hunting for the food outside in the restaurants. So, okay, we're gonna let it cook for a little while. Then we're gonna turn the stove off, and then we're gonna boil spaghetti. You see, the onions has to be like this, not mushy. And the mushrooms too. Okay, I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for a little while. So it will be done in a few minutes. Okay, we are boiling some water to make spaghetti. We add a little bit of cooking oil so the spaghetti don't stick to each other, don't get sticky, and then some salt to taste. Okay, we'll boil this. Once the water starts boiling, we'll add spaghetti. Okay, spaghetti water is boiling, so I'm gonna be adding the spaghetti. Go back. Bismillah. Wait. Okay. Okay. It'll take a few minutes to cook spaghetti, and we'll be done with the spaghetti. Okay, our spaghetti is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and strain the water. See, you can see this. See, this is soft. It's done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drain the water. Then I'm gonna serve in the plate, and I'm gonna show it to you how it looks. Okay. Okay, I got the spaghetti over here. I'm gonna put some sauce in there. Okay. We have the spaghetti over here, and the sauce. We'll add a little bit of cheese. It depends how much cheese you like. Okay, and a little bit of crushed pepper, optional. If you like spicy, you can add some. Okay, then I have some crushed garlic. That's also optional. If you like it, you can put some, otherwise you don't have to. Okay, and we'll decorate with some basils. Some basil. Voila. Our spaghetti is ready. Look friends, our spaghetti looks so yummy, so delicious. So try it and share with your family and friends the recipe. If you like it, click like and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot more dishes. I'm going to be showing a lot of dishes, a lot of air fried dishes and Ramadan special. So please stay with me. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.